Hi everyone and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie. So today I have a haul for you from the Dollarama, which is the Canadian dollar store. And yeah, some of these are some last minute stocking stuffer ideas. So let's go ahead and just jump into all of this stuff that I have here. So we'll just start off with the candy. I always get my candy from the Dollarama, more preferably over Dollar Tree just because it is cheaper. So this big bar is $1.25, which sometimes Dollar Tree has, but all of these little bars are only 82 cents. So that's a really great deal. Then I got this, I don't even know what you call it, like scrubber. What does it say? Let's see what it says. Very common. Everybody uses these. Oh yeah, it is a scrubber. And it was $1.25, so that's the same price it would have been at my Dollar Tree. And then I picked up 2 packs of these Panasonic batteries. I love these batteries. They are $2 as you can see, and I picked up a few of those. For Christmas items, I just needed a few last minute items for some DIYs that I'm doing. These are metal balls, as you can see, but they have like little bells, so they jingle. And then some little mini bows, and it's not for a DIY that's going to be on my channel. This is just a DIY that I'm doing at home. So yeah, grab those. And then the rest of this stuff is stocking stuffers. So I picked this up for my dog. What I really liked about it is that, well, first off, the massage gums. I thought that was really cool to have a soft side and then this side that massages their gums. But for me, it's the maximum durability. That's super important. I only buy maximum durability for my dogs because I do have a dog that will chew right through anything. And the maximum durabilities, they're usually like layer upon layer of material. So really good quality. And that was $3.50. So just for anybody that doesn't know, my Dollarama items run from like 82 cents up to $4. Then I picked up some dog treats. So Milk Bones, very well-known brand name. I believe these were, doesn't say, I don't think, no. They were either $1.25 or $2. So these are the soft and chewy. And then, oh, I was really excited to find these Celebration mini cookies. I love these. These are like my favorite cookies. And it's the mini packs, which are really great for just throwing a mini pack in to take as a snack to work or if you're on the go. And then here are some stocking stuffers. So I've hauled these before. I grab these all of the time that I'm there. These are the Imagine Ink. So these are the magic markers, and it comes with a marker. So if you're not familiar with it, it comes with this mess-free marker. So they can't color on anything else but the book. And then it comes with an activity book. Really fantastic if you're gonna go travel on a plane or in a car for long distances. And the reason I grab these is that if you look at like Amazon and Walmart, these cost about $7 to $8. And at my Dollarama, they go for $3.50. So when I see them, I grab them all the time. And I just picked up 3 Paw Patrols because my kiddo is obsessed with Paw Patrol right now, and they only had 3 left. So I grabbed all 3 of them. And then this is a new find. I was super excited to find this. Ugly Dolls. I don't know if you guys know about Ugly Dolls, but these can be quite expensive, and it was just a really good find. They also had like the plush teddy bears, but they were completely sold out when I showed up. Sorry, I was trying to look for the price to show you. I can't remember the price, but it's the little squishy, and that was the last one that they had. So I thought that would be a really great stocking stuffer. And then this as well. So this is the My Little Pony brand, and I saw something like this on Amazon, and it was almost $20. So they had this at my Dollarama for $4, and it's just little toys of all these different My Little Ponies. Alright guys, so just before I end this video, I actually thought that I would insert a clip from another visit that I did at the Dollarama, not Dollar Tree, Dollarama. So yeah, I just thought I would really quickly insert some more footage of a different visit. So I'm just going to start right at the end here. So this is the first item. I picked up this, it's just really a body foam / foam bath. So like almost like a bubble bath, and it's free and lovely. And the reason I picked up this one, it was one of the very few that was free from these two items. Most of their products, because they are cheaper, are full of different sulfates and things like that. So this one was one of the only ones that was free. Yeah, so I grabbed that. And then a few new items. So starting off with these words. So this is really pretty. Cardstock stickers. They were $1.50, as you can see. You get 64 pieces, and they're just gold letters. Oops, sorry guys. And you can see right here, you get tons of letters inside. So I thought that was a really great deal. Moving along to a kids plate. I have this brand already. I have their bowls, but I saw their actual like little trays. So this is the Zach, and these are just trays that you can use for food for toddlers or babies, and they are BPA free, as you can see, and you can also put them in the microwave. Not that I would do that, but just showing you guys the options. All right, so also picked up some Scotty's tissue. It's that time of year, so it's always great to have some tissue on hand. Love that it's the Scotty's brand, so 3-ply, and I just thought these were really pretty. So I got this penguin design, and then over here I got the snowflake design, and these were $2. Moving on to some picture frames. So starting off with the price, only $2, and I thought these were really pretty designs. Sorry for the glare, guys. I am trying to get rid of that light. So it's like a faux wood, and then you can put a picture in the center, and then at the very bottom, they have phrases. So this one says, "Love is all you need." And then I also picked up this one as well, which was a little bit different color. It looks a little bit more like farmhouse type color. And at the bottom, it says, "Enjoy every moment." So I thought those were really pretty. They did have one other color as well, which I think was kind of similar to this color here, but just like a darker wood. And one of these is going to be used for a DIY that you can stay tuned for around Valentine's Day. So picked up those. All right, some other little items here. So starting off with these clear alphabet stamps. I mean, I don't have much else to say. They're just stamp letters, and they were $1.25, which is great because, like I mentioned several times, Dollar Tree, where I live, is $1.25. So these are just as comparable, and it's just a capital letter for each of the alphabet. They're clear. And then I found these two books. So these were more on the expensive side because these were $4. But if you take a look at the retail price, they retail for $9, $8.95. So I picked up two of them. This one is the ABCs, and then the other one here is the 1, 2, 3, and it just teaches through picture association, and then it has traceable designs. So like this line here is something that they can trace with their finger. So I thought those were really great for learning. And then moving over here, just picked up some slide seal Ziploc bags. I love using these for storing things. So I don't actually use these for day-to-day food. I use them to store things such as, I don't know, like crayons and crafts. A lot of it is for craft items. So if you have kids or if you yourself do crafts, these are just really fantastic for storing your craft items. And I picked up the large size, and then I picked up the smaller size as well. All right, and then I would say the last item I got, and I just hauled these as well, I know that, but I went back and they had more, so I picked up some more. These are the Ugly Dolls. I think I actually showed you earlier on in this video the Ugly Dolls and how much of a great deal these are. So this is the little toy. I went and picked up a different one. This was $2.50, and regular price at a store like Walmart is $5. The big steal was these little guys. So I just showed you one as well, the Ugly Doll. These are called like the on-the-go keychains, and these retail for, I think it's $7 or $8. I think it's $7. Yeah, $7 at Walmart, and they were $2.50 at my Dollarama. So I picked up the orange guy, the red one, and the pink one. My daughter already has the green one, and I think the only one that we're actually missing is the purple, which they did have, but I just, I held back. I was like, this is enough. So that was the really best deal of today. And that's it. I'm going to go back to my regular clip. And the very last item that I got, also for a stocking stuffer, is these Play-Doh packs. I grabbed this one just because it's black, and black Play-Doh is very hard to find. So when I saw that, I had to grab it. It was $2, and it was the last one that they had. So that's it, guys. Really short haul for you today, but I wanted to share that with you, and I hope you guys enjoy. This is probably the last haul that I'm going to do before the holidays, so I wish you all a lovely holiday, and talk to you in the new year. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.